Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Honda Civic. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 5-speed automatic transmission. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as delay-off headlights, a trip computer, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.